Hello guys, welcome back. This is Obin Derek and this is Tech Hub. So now we are looking at how to run WordPress on a local server. So after we are done with everything, this is how it's going to look like. This is the admin. This is where you can do everything. That is change your sites, do everything, add widgets and everything. This is where you can do so. Running WordPress on a local server helps you to practice making a website for free. Check in the description below to download the zip file of the WordPress if you have not yet downloaded it. So let's start or let's begin. First, we are going to unzip the file downloaded into a named folder at htdocs in the XAMPP folder. You need to go to your compressed folder, that is the downloads. You go to your downloads, then you go to compressed, then you unzip everything. That is the WordPress here. You unzip it. Then after you unzip it, you open your file explorer, then you go to your local disk, then you move to your XAMPP, then after that you move to your htdocs, then you create a folder there, create a new folder. So you right click, then create a new folder, then you give it a name. So let's say we are going to call it Tech Hub. So then you enter into it. So after you've entered into it, you move back to the unzipped folder, you copy everything here, then you move it into the folder that you created, that is the tech hub, inside the htdocs. So that is the XAMPP ht then tech hub. So everything will copy into it. So when you are done, when it's finished copying, then you close it. Starting XAMPP. So we are going to look at how to start the XAMPP. You open the XAMPP control.exe. You click on start to start the Apache, then you click on start to start my SQL. Then what you are going to do is move back to your file explorer, then you go to this PC, you go to your local host, that is your local disk, then you move to your XAMPP, then you turn on your XAMPP, that is your XAMPP control dashboard. So you double click it, then it turns on. So mine is already on, so let me put it off, then put it back on for you to see. So now the ports that I'm using is 7882. I'm not using the 80. So it means that when I'm keying into the Mozilla or Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, I need to add this port to it before it runs. So what I need to do next is create a database for it. So I click on admin under my SQL, then it opens. It's going to give me an error because I'm not using the 80. I'm not using the original. I made a few changes to my local host, so you can check that. I made a video on that one, so you can check it on the other video. So what I need to do is I need to edit my local host and add 7882 to it. Before that, I need to add a column. Then I press enter. So it opens, and I move to new. I click on the new, and I create database name. Let me say I create a database name, Tech Hub. Then I click on enter, then it creates. So what I need to do next is I'm done with everything. So I need to open a new tab. Then I key in localhost. So with my own, I need to add 7882 for my port number. Then I bring a slash. Then we go to the data, the name that we created here, the htdocs. The name that we created was what? So we come back to the new tab, then we key in local hosts. So I'm going to modify it to my 7882, then slash, then the name that I used, that is Tech Hub, then forward slash, then I click on enter. So it opens for me. Now we are good to go. So you click on let's go. Then the database that name that I used, that was I used Tech Hub. Then the username is going to be roots. Then the password, I delete it. But you can input a database password if on your when you were installing your MySQL, you placed a database password on it. So if you did that, you have to do that. But with my own, I left it blank. So that is why I'm leaving it blank. So you click on submit, then it moves on. Then so you come to this side, then you click on run the installation. So you create a site name for it. So let me use this technique. Then the username, let's use admin. Then the password, let's use. So it's very easy. So confirm with password. Then I use my email. Now you don't want to take this one. You shouldn't take this one because this one helps Google to index your site so that anytime someone search, they can easily search for you. So then you click on install. Then for me, I'll not save the password. You wait for a few moments, then everything will run. So when it is done, it will ask you to log in. So it will ask you to log in. Then you log in. So you log in, then one, two, three, then you log in. That's all.